The final mistake that people make when they're picking a real estate brokerage is the right office, picking the right environment. One of the things, if you take a really good look, make sure that when you go and talk to somebody, you want to see the back room where the agents are working. What you're going to find is they're going to be empty. Well, we're a little bit different here, for example, is we encourage people to come to work because we know that you will be 20 to 25% more productive if you come in. Extremely important. So take a look at the environment. Make sure that it's inviting and friendly. Here, for example, at Royal Page Signature, we have a full cafe. You can have your lunch and have coffee. We have a very, very good open working area where agents will come and work. 6 closing rooms. So you want to have a very robust, professional. You want to be proud of where you're working because we want you coming to work and feel good about where you're working. So make sure you take a really good look at that and get past that manager's office. Sometimes they don't let you pass that office. You want to go into the back. Just make sure that it's a kind of environment that you want. The other thing that you want to watch out for, don't be fooled. You're going to hear sometimes people will say to you, if you go to a large office, you're going to be a number and you're not going to get the attention that you need. But that's not true. To be honest with you, those smaller offices cannot afford to give you what you need. They can't afford the very good training. They can't afford a good marketing department. They can't afford those kind of things where we write your offers and we put your listings, do your listings onto Treb for you. They can't afford those kind of things. The key is to look for is that even though that it's a big office, do they have those services? Do they have the people that are going to give you the help that you need? Like we have 4 managers here. None of us are allowed to sell. Here just to help you. So you just want to make sure that they're well manned, that you're going to get the help you need, that it's a great environment. So don't be afraid of a large office. In fact, that'll be better at the end of the day for you. So take a really good look, get past that manager's office, take a look at the back room, and make sure you're going to be comfortable working there. I hope this series helps you in your decision making when you're looking for a brokerage. It is important for your growth to be in the right environment. So take a good look, and I hope to see you someday. I'd be more than happy to meet with you on a one-on-one to give you any advice you might like. So hopefully that'll happen, and I hope to see you someday.